Hello guys, welcome to another video. It's another episode of Brewtime Blessings, where we just take a step back, appreciate nature, do a bit of forest bathing, have a little brew and a chat. Let's get into it. There's all this wood sorrel knocking about, which is lovely. Brilliant to see. Really good eating. As I say, you've got all this wood sorrel kicking about. It's absolutely gorgeous. And edible salad, basically. Lovely stuff. It tastes like apple zest, apple peel. Right, so I'm just going to get a brew on and just chill for a bit, just have a nice little bush box brew. Yeah, just really just get back to nature, relax, listen to the sounds of nature. It's been really cool walking in, obviously just seeing some of the new growth on all of the trees. Yeah, springtime, so it's just gorgeous. Old Faithful again today, Bushbox XL. Working up some pine shavings here with the new knife. absolutely loving this knife. It's amazing. So just while this is brewing quick, I just wanted to give thanks and say thank you to everyone who's a new subscriber, old subscriber, anyone that supports the channel. Big thank you, really appreciate it. And I just wanted to pay it back really and do a couple of little shout outs. So first off, I just want to say hello and shout out Shell and Pete. They watch quite regularly now. Good friends of the channel, always in the comment section. They've actually got a YouTube channel themselves, so please go and check that out. That's OB's Outdoors, link in the description below, go check them out. And Nicholas Romans, the Valley Camper, Nick, massive shout out to you, mate. Really good guy, always in our WhatsApp groups and stuff, so just wanted to say hello and give you a little shout out. Again, link to his channel below. Gone for a peppermint tea today, a little standard peppermint tea. Well, cheers guys, just going to enjoy this while that dies out and yeah, listen to nature's sounds. This is lovely and peaceful. So got a couple of things to say as well. I've spotted over there's some birch polypores, so I'm going to go and collect those because I've actually got something really exciting coming up in June. I'm doing a bit of a mushroom talk and a talk on mushroom foraging and mycology at the ranch community camp that Primal Nomad and East Anglian Bushcraft are hosting. So that's going to be really cool. I'm going to have my own little setup there, my own little stall, and loads of different mushrooms laid out, loads of spore prints, loads of good documentation about mycology and what you can do with them in terms of bushcraft tinder, fungus and things like that. Also wild edibles as well. So yeah, make sure you check that one out. That's going to be coming soon in June. Tickets are available if you do want the chance to see me, York Knife, Tom from Back Garden Bushcraft, Primal Nomad, that's Liam, and then Craig, obviously from East Anglian Bushcraft. Tickets are £35, link in the description below. Please go and check it out. It is very limited, it's only 150 tickets total, so I think that they've got a few left, but yeah, go and check that out. And like I say, just check out the video when it's out. It's going to be a really good one. It's going to be an awesome weekend with some really, really cool, like-minded people. There's going to be flint knapping on show, firelighting skills on show. There's going to be a hog roast. There's going to be music on an open mic stand. Yeah, lots of good food, lots of good company, and lots of good bushcraft. So it's going to be great. Check it out. Right, this is all done now, but I forgot my gloves, so I've got to wait a little while until it's going to be cold enough to touch. So in the meantime, I'm going to go over there and get those birch polypores and yeah, forage some wood sorrel, I think. Just have a little scout around. It's really been nice just seeing all of nature's finest today. Some really good new leaves on the trees, the songbirds singing. I saw a robin earlier. Yeah, it's just really, really tranquil and peaceful. Really nice to just chill and sit for a minute. So I've just got these birch polypores for the mushroom talk in June, and a little bit of wood sorrel. I just thought that the flowers are pretty, but I'm going to leave the flowers behind. Just thought they made quite a pretty little addition. These polypores are very, very far gone, so I won't be using them for stropping purposes or as a plaster or anything like that, but I will be attempting to just showcase these as tinder now, because they're that dry and that old, so they're going to be great for the demo. Right guys, that's the end of the video. If you have liked at any point, please give it a little like below. It really helps to support the channel. If you're new to foraging, bushcraft and wild camping and like this sort of stuff and this content, then please consider subscribing below for more useful tips. And yeah, without further ado, I'll see you on the next one.
Yo. Entering the planet, we were born in 1990. Censoring the damage through the years quite precisely. Peppering the cabbage every day with new rhyme schemes. Venturing the stranded and tired of